Beginner-friendly Cash App reward games usually work by giving users points, credits, or cash rewards after completing specific gameplay tasks instead of paying simply for opening the app. By the end, you'll know 5 Cash App reward games that are easier for new users to understand, how each earning system works, and what to check before spending time on them. Section 1 is choosing games that are simple to start. The best beginner options usually have clear instructions, visible progress tracking, and simple reward requirements. The first game to check is Mistplay. Mistplay is designed around playing supported mobile games and earning rewards through gameplay activity. New users can start by selecting available games inside the app and checking how rewards are earned before spending time playing. The second option is Rewarded Play. Rewarded Play uses a point system where users complete game milestones to earn rewards. The app shows available games and reward progress, so beginners can check what actions are required before starting. The third option is Swagbucks. Swagbucks includes gaming offers along with other ways to earn rewards. Each game offer has different requirements, so beginners should read the instructions before accepting an offer. Section 2 covers more beginner options. The fourth game to check is Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars provides different earning opportunities including game-related activities. Beginners should review the available tasks and reward details because each offer may have different completion rules. The fifth option is Cashkick. Cashkick uses a task-based reward system where some earning opportunities involve playing games. Users should check the specific offer instructions because the amount of work required can change between different tasks. Section 3 is how beginners avoid common problems. Start by checking how the reward system works before spending hours on a game. Look for the required level milestone or task completion point needed for rewards. Keep the same account and device settings while completing offers to reduce tracking issues. Check your reward history after finishing tasks to confirm that your progress has been recorded. Avoid any app that asks you to pay money before you can access rewards. Legitimate reward apps explain how users earn points or credits and show the available redemption process. Remember that rewards, offers, and available games can change over time because many promotions depend on current partnerships and advertiser campaigns. The key points are simple. Beginner Cash App games usually use points or task systems. Reading the requirements first prevents wasted effort, and tracking your progress helps you know when rewards are ready. Your next step is choosing one game from this list, checking its rules, and completing a small task, first to understand how the reward system works. If this guide helped you find beginner-friendly Cash App games, like the video and subscribe for more money app guides.